Hey guys, so I picked up a hot glue gun for my electronics projects just so I could secure components in place and stuff. So this is the one that I ended up picking. It looks like a kind of a generic glue gun on Amazon, and a lot of the models I see are basically like the same thing. You'll see glue guns that look identical by multiple different brands, and it's basically the same glue gun that was purchased and rebranded by a bunch of people. I believe this is one of them, but this one that I picked out was pretty good, and I liked it. So this is probably kind of a boring video, but this is one of the tools I picked out, and I just wanted to share this with everyone. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.